It was Swiss National Day on the 1st of August, and I celebrated by going on the GEMMI PASS hiking trail to Daubensee. This is considered one of the most classic hikes in Switzerland that starts from the Gemmi mountain in Valais and ends in Kandersteg, with great views of the glaciers, the Daubensee, and the surrounding mountains. If you have not yet done so, do like and subscribe to the channel for more Swiss travel videos like this one. Good morning! I just arrived in Leuk, and today we are going on a hike to the Daubensee, which is in Leukerbad. And I'm so sorry, I forgot to bring my mic today, so we have to deal with this shitty audio quality. I apologize, I will bring out my mic next time. To start your adventure, take a train ride to Leuk train station and transfer to bus 471. From there, you will take a scenic 30-minute bus ride that will take you to Leukerbad.
Together like I did before. Think that I've said this a few times.
Leukerbad is a small Swiss village known especially for its thermal baths and is simply a haven of relaxation and wellness. Walking around the village, I saw so many cute alpine chalets stacked out with the Swiss national flag to celebrate the National Day. Walk through the village and enjoy the majestic views of the mountains around you, and soon you will reach the Gemmibahn cable car station, where you will ascend to the GEMMI PASS station. A return cable car costs 19 Swiss francs with the Swiss Travel Pass or the half-rate card.
I get lost, you go with your day. Slowly get closer, but you're moving away. I know it's just a recap, but I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Maybe it's time.
As you walk down from the cable car station, the Daubensee will come into full view at a height of 2,207 meters. The GEMMI Pass that connects Leukerbad to Kandersteg has been used since ancient times as a route for traders, shepherds, and travelers to move between different valleys and regions. Its strategic location made it a crucial link for trade between the Bernese Oberland region and the Valais canton. This hike is really beautiful, and because I'm so early in the morning, so there's basically no one, so I have this entire view to myself. I do recommend you to come early in the morning so it doesn't get too hot, and you can have you can do a round trip by the lake, and by the time you reach back to the top, you can have a lunch at the mountain restaurant. There are essentially two paths from the cable car station to the Daubensee. I took the one that goes all the way down to the water to walk along the lakeshore, but you can also choose the higher path that has the view above the lake, which I took for my return journey. I'm going to test the temperature of the water here. It's a bit cold, I think it's about 10 degrees. Not gonna go for a swim here. I made a mistake of not bringing extra clothing. I was just wearing my sports bra, and luckily I had this jacket because when the wind blows, you can hear it now, it's super strong and it's so cold even though it's summertime now, so I definitely suggest that you bring a windbreaker along with you to keep off the cold. After the lake, you will start going downhill through rocky terrains. The path here is slightly less scenic but equally fascinating as you're surrounded by huge mountain boulders. Try to walk a little faster here in case of falling rocks. So cute because I'm coming from the French side, and when I see people coming from the other side, I will say bonjour and then they will reply me with grüezi. So that's multicultural Switzerland for you. From Daubensee, it takes about 30 minutes to reach your midway pit stop, the Schwerenberg restaurant, where you can stop here for a drink, a snack, or a toilet break. I had my afternoon cappuccino and also my sandwich for lunch while soaking in the mountain sceneries. From the hotel, you have a few options to continue your hike. The first option is to walk 10 minutes further down to the Zurich cable car station, which will take you to Kandersteg in 5 minutes. Or you can choose to hike to Kandersteg, and that will take you about an hour more. These two options are suitable for those of you that are staying in German-speaking Switzerland, since it is faster to return to places in the Jungfrau region or to main cities like Zurich. However, since I was returning back to the French-speaking side, it made more sense for me to take the return route back to Leukerbad.
If we could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder if we could run it back, if we could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder if we could run it back? All of the things I didn't know, I had to get out down the road, inside of the same old, caught in the circles.
Before you head back down to Leukerbad, be sure not to miss the latest Swing the World project installed on the top of the Gemmibahn station, and this is currently the highest swing in Switzerland at a height of 2,350 meters.
Window to learn how the world goes. We didn't know how to move on. If we could run.
After a long hike, it's time to unwind and give your muscles some tender loving care. For this, head to one of Leukerbad's numerous thermal baths, where you will find indoor and outdoor thermal pools equipped with jacuzzis, saunas, and whirlpools to relax those aching muscles. We visited the Walliser Alpentherm back in winter, and honestly, there's nothing more relaxing than soaking in the therapeutic waters, breathing in the fresh mountain air, all against a stunning backdrop.